Puwede daw bang i-DIY ang Spain student visa? Hola a todos, my name is Colleen or Coco. Yes, pwede mo namang i-DIY ang iyong Spain student visa basta matyaga ka lang sa pag-gather ng mga dokumento at saka marunong ka sa mga step-by-step process. So eto, general requirements lang para rin makatulong at magkaroon kayo ng idea. First, number one, admission letter or acceptance letter. Pwede mong makuha yan habang nasa Pinas ka or nasang bansa ka currently residing. Number two, of course, yung proof of funds. Number three, health insurance. Number four, ang iyong medical certificate. And number five, yung NBI clearance. And take note, etong mga general requirements might differ based on your situation. So, lahat ng mga valid documents or mga papers ay kailangang sworn translated in Spanish. So, for the full instructions and details, actually, you can search BLS Spain in Manila kung nasa Pinas kayo residing or sa Pinas kayo magpapasa ng inyong visa requirements. So, I hope it's helpful and good luck sa inyong mga visa application.